Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving a baby crochet sweater. Crocheting a baby sweater is a delightful project that combines creativity and practicality. The softness and warmth of the yarn used in a baby crochet sweater make it perfect for delicate skin. Choosing the right yarn is critical, ensuring comfort and easy care for parents. Baby sweaters often feature adorable patterns from simple stitches to intricate lace work. Crocheted sweaters can be customized with a variety of colors to suit the baby's wardrobe. Crafting a baby sweater allows for personal touches like buttons, bows, or appliques. Size adjustments are easily made to accommodate growing infants. The rhythmic nature of crochet can be soothing, making it a perfect hobby for parents. Baby sweaters make thoughtful and precise handmade gifts for baby showers or birthdays. Crocheted garments offer unique texture and flexibility, ensuring a cozy fit. The process involves creating individual pieces and then skillfully joining them together. Granny square patterns and shell stitches are popular choices for baby sweaters. Some patterns incorporate playful elements like animal ears or whimsical hoods. The creativity extends to choosing between pullover or cardigan styles. Crocheting baby sweaters is an excellent way to use leftover yarn from other projects. Simple stitches can result in a classic, timeless design perfect for heirloom pieces. Baby sweaters often become cherished keepsakes, evoking memories of early years. Thanks for watching this video.